We don't have electricity in our mudroom, which means we don't have lights. But today, we're fixing that with the help of our new easy-to-install, battery-powered wall sconces. They come shipped to your door with just about everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you can find your user manual, magnets and sticker strips, 2 puck lights, a remote. Remove the battery tab and it's live and ready to go. Then it comes with mounting brackets and hardware, 2 top rings, 2 bottom rings, and 2 fabric linen shades. Installation is quick and painless. To get started, locate the clips on the inside of the shade and line them up with the bottom ring. Then snap the ring into place so it holds securely to the fabric shade. Seal up the Velcro backing, and then grab your magnet strip. Take off the cover, revealing the sticky back, and massage it onto the back of your light. Just make sure that you're gentle. You don't want to prematurely turn on the light now. That's because you still need to put in 3 AA batteries, not included, in order to use this light. After the batteries are in, place your magnet light at the bottom of the fabric shade. Now, it's time to line up and snap in the top ring. Snap that down and make sure the Velcro is still flush, and you're all good to go. Turn on the light and your fabric wall sconce comes alive. I just love the cryptic look of text all over the place, going every which way. And when it's lit up, it looks all the cooler. So much so that I decided to hang one up on my set and use it for background lighting. And I've got to admit, I like the way it looks, and I think it adds a cool feel to the set. Not to mention, you could cycle through the different brightnesses and different colors in general. You can even push the color swap mode to let it casually cycle through all the colors. Now, I didn't forget what I got these for. I grabbed the second wall sconce and mounting bracket. I screwed the mounting bracket into the wall of the mudroom and then slid on my new wall sconce. And like that, finally, our mudroom that is lacking electricity now has some wall lights to turn on. Even if we lose the remote, we can push the button directly on the light to turn it on and press again to cycle through the colors. Now we can see the room in the dark and add some fun background lighting to our rooms. So if you're looking for some easy to install wall sconces, these might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go watch the colors change under my new wall sconce. See ya!